So boosters are important and they can help bring down some of those hospitalizations, but really it's the unvaccinated individuals that we have to continue to reach out to. Oftentimes in these populations, it can be really hard to reach those people, but that's where we really need to be focused and targeting in order to get that overall proportion of the population vaccinated higher.
Are you seeing the messaging there for that, Carrie? Because I'm just thinking about some of the things that have happened in the past few weeks with celebrities and sort of the messaging around the vaccine. And there's still a lot of confusion and hesitation. So are you seeing the potential for progress on that front?
Well, I think, the data and the numbers are going to continue to speak for themselves. And unfortunately, I think these populations where there's a high proportion who are unvaccinated, they are going to see more hospitalizations and death. I think we're all very frustrated by the messaging around this, that the science is not at the forefront of a lot of the messaging. There's a lot of misinformation that's continuing to be spread. But the bottom line with all of this is the virus doesn't care about our misinformation. The virus is going to find particularly those unvaccinated individuals, and then it may also find those vaccinated individuals who are at higher risk for more severe complications, who have done their part, who have gotten vaccinated, but they are some of our most vulnerable. So it really is this continued push and thinking about the messaging in Colorado, for example, which they're just getting crushed with the continued hospitalizations there. Their peak has not come down, and the governor signed an executive order saying this being in this state puts you in a high risk institution, so everyone can have a booster. That's important, particularly for those more vulnerable people who may not have thought of themselves as falling in those criteria for boosters originally. But it also then needs to continue to pivot with the messaging to make sure that the individuals who are unvaccinated are specifically engaged with in order to increase the overall proportion who are vaccinated.
Hey, thanks for watching Bloomberg Quick Take Now. Subscribe to our channel to see the biggest stories the moment they happen from around the world. And tune in to our 24/7 live stream for global news coverage, documentaries, interviews, deep dives, and shows on the stories that you care most about.